Hello and welcome to Inkscape for Teachers. In this tutorial I'll be showing you another way of producing a geometric design. I've shown how to use path effects, rotate copies, but here's another way that may be a bit simpler in some respects, and I use that to create these designs here. So I'll scroll down, we'll start from scratch. I just use the Bezier pen tool, or B, and I just click any old shape. Might be something like that. That's going to give me a sort of propeller or a sharp-edged windmill effect. I'll give it a fill, and what I'm going to do is rotate it, pick an angle. You can pick any angle you like. I brought up the transform menu, Control-Shift-M, and clicked on the rotate tab. Now if you wanted to make that 30 degrees, whatever, type in your angle, and what we'll do is we'll Control-D to duplicate that original, then apply the transformation. You see what's happened? It's rotated about its centre, not about the middle that I wanted. So I Control-Z a couple of times, I go back to my original shape, click a second time, there's the centre of rotation. I'll drag it till it snaps on this corner. You must have this icon, the snap to rotation centres on. Now that my rotation centre's there, I can rotate about that point. So back to Control-D and apply, Control-D apply, and I'll just keep doing that. Okay, now you can see I've overlapped there and it doesn't quite look perfect, but this is what we'll do next to get around that. I'm going to trace the part that I really want so that I can colour them individually. If I started doing these every second colour like this and so forth, I just speed up every second one. You can see that it looks okay, except this one here is obviously on top, because we've got to go in order. We've got to have, we started off under here and the subsequent copies are on top, and so the last one had to be on top, which didn't really fit in quite with the pattern. So there are ways around that that I'll show you now. So Control-Z back to that point, Control-Z once more, no, forward. Okay. Right, now what I'm going to do is select just two of these shapes. 1, 2. I'm going to get one to punch through the other by going path difference. You can see there's the shape. I'll just give it a red colour. There's the shape that I can now rotate individually rather than have overlaps. So what I'll do is I'll Control-C that and drag down here, Control-V, and let's just check its centre of rotation. Click a second time, the centre is there. Let's drag it to this corner there, and again 30 degrees is our rotation, so I'll Control-D to duplicate and then apply rotation. This time I'll give this a colour, and I'll create a group by selecting the lot, or those two, Control-G to group. Click a second time, the centre of rotation is back in the centre, but we want it over here. Now let's double the rotation to 60 degrees because we've got two of these, it takes up twice as much angle, and Control-D apply and keep going around. You see that way we've got the alternating colours. Oh, I've lost it there, but as I want them. There's one way to do a geometric design. I tend to prefer the border stroke off, so I'm going to select the lot and shift click across there and take the border stroke off. If you want to do swap colours around, for example you wanted the red to be replaced by green, you could click on one of them and go edit, select same, fill colour, and it hasn't done it. Oh, that's because it's grouped, some still grouped, so I'd have to ungroup it all. Control U a couple of times. Okay, now if we click on say the red, go edit, select same, fill colour, selects all the red, you can change that to green in one hit, for example. Whatever you want to do. But of course that will have changed the colours elsewhere in the diagram, the red up here as well to pink. Anyway, there's one way to do some nice rotation geometric designs, and as always, thanks for watching.